On May 6, Nasimi District Court rejected the unlawful detention complaint filed by journalist Rauf Mirgedorov. The journalist is currently held in the custody of the Minister of National Security. The lawyer of the journalist, Fuad Aghayev, noted that they will lodge an appeal after getting a copy of the decision. Rauf Mirgedorov, correspondent of Baku-based Zerkala newspaper, was arrested by MNS employees on April 19 after being deported to Baku from Turkish capital city Ankara, where he had been living since 2010. He is charged under Article 274, treason of the Criminal Code. Nasimi District Court has ordered him to serve 3 months of pretrial detention.